Hey, my friend, this is the easiest digital income system setup for working professionals. You work full-time and you want to earn extra income. Allow me to walk you through this. I found this document the latter part of 2025. I was overwhelmed. I was stretched thin. I went back to school. I'm working full-time. I have other responsibilities on top of that. And in addition to that, I need to earn extra income, but I needed to find my own way. I wanted something that I could own. I wanted something that I could learn in a micro time frame and also earn micro payments. I didn't want anything that was like too good to be true or anything that would resemble some type of overnight success thing. I just wanted something solid. And this came across my desk and I'm just really excited. It rejuvenated me. So what do I have here? This is a customizable document that you can customize and that you can resell. It's yours, 100% profits. You don't have to share anything with anyone. Let me take you through the steps. So you download this, okay? And it's not just any PDF. This is a digital income system. This is a training machine, I'm telling you. So you download this, okay? And it's yours, so you can go through it. What you're gonna do though is to customize it, you're gonna open it in Canva. And no worries, because immediately you're gonna get training. Step 1, step 2, right? When you hit step 6, it's not gonna take you very long. You're done. You've customized this document, it's yours. Because you're gonna change the title. You're not gonna name it what I name it, right? You're not gonna use those same colors, but you customize it. Okay, once you customize it, you're gonna you're gonna download it, PDF version. Training shows you how to do that if you've never done it. Then you're gonna create you a store. I prefer beacons. You create the store for your product. You have already customized the images. You're gonna upload those images to your store. This document also gives you your sales copy. So you're gonna take the sales copy out of this document and you're gonna put it on your beacon store. I would tweak it a little bit, but I'm just saying, you already have that there. So now you've downloaded your document, you've created your store, upload your document. You've put your sales copy on there. You've put your price on there. Boom, you're done. Now you're probably saying, well, what do I say? Well, you need to create your threads or Instagram or Facebook or YouTube. If you already have those, great. You may want to start something new, but there's 30 days of content back here. It's going to tell you exactly what to say. It's going to tell you, I made a PDF. You know, I made a sale from one PDF, or, you know, do you need to earn extra income while working full time? But you have 30 days of content, so you know what to say, right? In addition to that, I've added more content for you. So you will not be without not knowing what to say, because I want to make this low stress, low friction. It already is as it is. I've even made it more simpler with what I've added. I also have added, let's say you don't know who you're talking to. For me, I'm talking to people over 50. I mean, if you're under 50, that's fine, but people over 50. You work full time. You don't want anything heavy. You're not trying to prove anything. You're not like overly ambitious. Been there, done that. You have some strategic, specific financial goals that you want to reach, but you also want to add something of value. You also want to learn something, and you don't want to just sell anything. That's my target market, right? But if you don't know who your target market is, I have 4 versions of exercises of AI prompts, how to help you find your ideal customer. And then the 4th one, I'm showing you how you can just tell ChatGPT, pick my ideal customer. And you give it some information and it'll pick it for you. I know. So you're getting all of that in this. So this is just not a PDF, but you're finished. That's it. You customize it, you download it, you upload it to your store, you price it, and then you focus on your content. if you're going to do content once a day, every other day, however you're going to do it. This is the simplest digital income system setup that I have seen for working professionals. So this resonates with you at all, click the link in the video description, read, and make your decision. Now, one last thing, because it may be ultra new to you. You're going to get this document and everything that I mentioned, even the extra things that I have in there, that's going to be yours too. You will have access to all of that, and you can resell all of that. You just got to customize a few things. All right. So many blessings to you. Click the link in the video description and have a good one.